we have seen ADK web where you are just running your ADK on a web-based UI, but you can use ADK CLI wise also. And if you don't want to use that also, normally you can just run the script like normal Python script, you can run it. It will automatically take everything into consideration. So here I have taken a sample data where some sort of student based data is given, but then the entire logic is very straightforward. Automatic EDA. So most of you might have heard about Julius AI, where you just put your CSV and it understands what are the column names, what is the column description, and then it starts giving you proper exploration, charts, and Python code for it. Now, this agent is working in that same manner. And here, I am not going to go with any code completion or code generation for that matter, Python code generation for the charts, though we can do like that also. If we add it in the description, we can get the Python codes as well. So when you run this particular script, normal running also when you do in your uh, Python terminal, you will see that automatically it will give you a message that sending CSV content to the agent for EDA.